what it looks like, right? It is a little bit heavy, and of course there's like a layer effect, so I think I'm gonna play on that. The Five Below hair is here. You can obviously tell that it's like much thicker, much shinier, and then my extensions is in the bottom. First of all, my hair is not fully flat ironed, so that's one. Obviously cutting in a little bit more layers would help. But I'm also not mad at it because I also feel like a scene girl who just doesn't care about life. I feel like if I curl it, it might look better. I'm just gonna really straighten my hair. So we'll be back. So I decided to like redo it. It was not looking good. I needed to find my flat iron. So I'm gonna do it as if I'm doing a sewing. And I'm just gonna part my hair. These like half rounded sections. Obviously, I can't see back there, but usually when I do my sewings anyways, I kind of do everything by touch when it comes to the back. So I kind of know where to part at. It's probably not perfect. I wanted to come on here real quick and show you guys how it's supposed to look. You feel me? So what I did was I did a combination of my long extensions and the short Five Below extensions in between the wefts. So this is the Five Below. As you can tell, you can see the shininess compared to like the more dullness from the other synthetic. But this is how you know that it's placed very well, because look at this. Due to the parting, this is the last extension that I put on, and then the rest that I have here, there is one with 2 clips and then there's 2 separate like this. So I'm gonna keep these 2 for the right there in like the in between to fill the spaces, and this one clip is gonna go right in between this last bit of hair that I have right here. Hold on. It looks like a lot, but it's not. If you just split this right in the middle and you add that piece, it'll be perfect. And then you have this left, which is your leave out, and then that's when you can mix in those 2 singular clips in between, and it's gonna look beautiful. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I mean by parting it. Like literally, you're just gonna part this in half right here like that. You will flatten. What I've been doing is I'll flat iron this part. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'll flat iron this part, right? And it'll be like this. Then what I'll do, because sometimes when you put the clip, it'll slip off. So just tease back. You tease back a little bit, and that will give you the sturdiness for the clip to grab, and you will be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back, okay? Got my leave out, which is right here. I have the 2 mini clips, and then this is where the other one is sitting at. And now you just take your time with this leave out and really flatten it really good. I'm going to split it right in the middle. That should be fine. I like to curve it a little bit so it could kind of like, you know, the more pressure you use, the better it'll be. Since I blended it with other synthetic extensions, I feel like that really helps give it that nice blended look. This way is smarter because it conceals really well my actual hair since it's in layers. And all you have to do now, honestly, is just go again and flat iron your hair with the extensions, and that'll like further help blend. But yeah, I'm gonna like try to wear these out for like about a week, and hopefully I will come back in a week and let you know how I feel about it if my thoughts change. But so far I give these like an 8 out of 10, and only an 8 out of 10 so far because I like the way it feels. I like the way it moves. This is it right here, this part, the shorter part. I like the it moves nicely. It's just the fact that it's shiny. I want to see if I can style it, like if I can curl it. But so far, I see that it can take heat. So that's nice. Not bad, Five Below. I see they got braiding hair too. Like if it's something quick that you need and you on a budget, run. It's a little shiny, but I feel like with more uses, it'll like dull down, and you can always spray it with dry shampoo, and that'll help like dull it down and make it look less shiny and more realistic. It is about 8 a.m. I just took a shower and I'm getting ready to go do my genetic testing. And I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like after a shower and going to bed. All I did was kind of just put in a ponytail and braid it down. Just want to show you what it looked like. I have some small like pieces that feel a little uncomfortable, like it feels like it's tugging at my hair, so I'm trying to find a way to kind of like make it not hurt. It's only in certain places. I think it's because the hair is not teased, so I'm gonna try to tease it. My hair right here, I can feel it poking out, so we have to hide those. I would put oil on my scalp, but I kind of want to avoid the oily because I don't want it to get greasy, and then I don't know. It's not bad, it's just that it feels heavy because I have like a lot of clips in. I have about maybe 20 clips in here. I'm not really sure, but yeah. Soon I'm gonna have my baby just here looking at me do my hair. Or am I even gonna have the leisure of doing my hair? Alright, so I'm already mad because my hair was so nice and straight and beautiful, and then the humidity strikes and my real hair is puffing up so crazy. Not gonna lie, if my hair was in a washing set, I probably would have had a better experience with blending, because it blends really well in the beginning. It's just once humidity hits my hair, it's over.
Go get it, I'm gonna get that cat. You said I look like a girl, but what does he look like? Look at me on the cam recording up tonight. Going in, hey, going out, hey. Speaking cold, speaking tongues, don't know where to go. I already know I had to go and drive the boat, but I ain't driving no boat. I ain't saving no hope. I'm going to take my baby with me, and we going to play some dominoes out the cruise and going forward. I don't really know where the fuck you're going.
Stop.
She won't kiss me no more. This is a diss track for her.
I have that many friends, but the friends that I did have were really good friends. In fact, I'm friends with those friends to this day. But also you have like...
Okay, so it's been about like a week or so that I've bought the clip-ins, and I wanted to give you guys like my final thoughts, let you know if I recommend it or not, how do I rate it, how was it, how did it go, right? So as you saw in the beginning of this video, I did mix the clip-ins with my own personal synthetic clip-ins. So the hair is actually not that bad. Yes, it is shiny, but if you need something quick, like a quick style, and you just want to have something done and you kind of know how to maneuver those things, like I said, to get rid of the shine, you can easily just get some dry shampoo, some baby powder, and honestly, like, that will kill the shine. But honestly, as I continued flat ironing and using it, it was fine. It didn't really tangle up that much, which I did like. It doesn't really tangle much, and when you brush it, it kind of goes back to normal. It's not as shiny as it once looked. It does look shiny right here, but it's actually not as shiny in person than it once was, and it moves really, really well. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna post a short on my YouTube so you can kind of see like how the hair moves, and it moves really nicely. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really realistic. Now I would say if you have natural hair and you want it to blend really well, you're gonna need a really good flat iron, or you're gonna have to get your hair done, because for me personally, I have to get a wash and set if I really want my hair to be really straight and stay like that. If my hair was done, I think in a salon, it would have been better with blending, but when I did take the time out and like flat iron my hair really well, it did blend really nicely, really quickly. It's just after a while, my hair with humidity, and the past couple days the humidity has been crazy, so my hair puffs up so fast, and you can tell the difference really, really quickly. But one thing I would say is that the clip itself, they're very cheaply made. So there were times when I would put the clip in and I'll try to close it and it didn't want to close on me, so that was pretty uncomfortable. And after a while it was in my hair, it did start causing me a little bit of tension in my hair. But I felt like that was probably because of the fact of, one, I mean, it is a cheap clip, and two, you have to tease your roots in order for the clip to really catch on your hair. Because if you just do it on flat hair, it will hurt because it's being like, it's tugging on like your roots, and it could feel very like delicate or sensitive. Compared to these clips from my other extensions, they look the same, but there is a difference. It's so hard compared to these. These are much more smoother. When you put them on, it doesn't really like cause that tension. And I never had to tease my hair with these, I'll be honest. I never had to tease with these, but with these you have to. So you can see how they move. It's exactly the same. It's synthetic hair. It didn't really shed that much, which I was surprised about. Even right now, as I go like this, it doesn't really shed that much, which I liked. Once you apply heat on this, heat is great. Now, I did not do a curl test, so if you guys want to see a curl test, let me know in the comments below, because I didn't do a curl test because I got too lazy and everything like that. Also, if you don't want to do like the method where you have to go piece by piece and add it in, honestly, in the last clip that you saw, one time I remember I took them off at nighttime to go to bed because my hair needed a break. I just took my leave out, I took it out, I put it away, and I put my hair in a ponytail. Now my hair, you could see it when I started clamp, like this was really the lazy girl way, but you put your hair in a ponytail and you leave it out, right? What I did was I took one long one and I clipped it on the ponytail, wrapped it around, and secured it. So literally it looked like this, and my ponytail was right in between that, and that covered my hair. So when I finished clipping the rest on, like literally my bun, I was clipping it on straight like that. You couldn't even tell the difference. You couldn't even tell, honestly speaking. And it was pretty easy. Like if it's like a 1 2 3, I gotta go outside and I need my hair done, baby, do that. So like I said, is it worth it? I'll say it's Banks approved. It does need some improvement, but I'm surprised. Like the fact that Five Below, they stepping their game up. They know that we love the store, and sooner or later it ain't gonna be Five Below no more. It already isn't, because right now Five Below is selling stuff that's more 5 and above, but we ain't gonna talk about that. But I would recommend them if you want like a quick style. You need something affordable. Each pack is $5, so with $20 you can get like a good 4 packs with some taxes, you feel me? I have no storage, but like I said, with the 4 packs you could probably do something, do like a quick style, and you should be fine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell, because YouTube does not say when I post, and I really want to see when I post. But personal experience with me, comment down below any other video ideas that you guys have, because I love reviewing stuff. So send that and I will do it. And yeah, like I said, go try it out for yourself. It's obviously not gonna be the best fucking quality, but it's good for what it's worth. You know, you getting what you paid for, and it's actually not that bad. Like, it's manageable. Like, you can make it work and make it look very realistic if you know what you're doing. So hopefully, if you guys follow the steps I gave you guys, like I guess 2 methods to place those extensions on and go live your best life. Purr.